My dearest brothers and sisters, today we are going to be making a very special salad. Imagine a Helianthus Tuberosus salad. What's that, you might ask? Well, it's a sunchoke salad or a Jerusalem artichokes salad. These are organic sunchokes grown here in California. They grow to perfection. This is a Native American food. They're too easy to grow. The early French Canadian explorers called them Jerusalem artichokes, but it has nothing to do with Jerusalem. The word sunchokes, in my humble estimation, is much more meaningful. And as I say, the Native Americans depended upon these for food to grow these. You simply, as soon as the ground thaws in your area, simply plant the entire tuber, planted maybe in friable, loose, fertile soil, maybe 3 inches below the surface, in well-composted soil, please. Water 2 or 3 times a week, and it will come up. It will make a shoot something like 6 feet tall, with small little sunflowers at the top, and these magnificent tubers down below. It's such a bountiful crop indeed, and as I said, it is food of the Native Americans. So, and as far as getting the tubers themselves, well, just saunter in to your natural food store and simply buy them and plant them, or you can order them through the Seed Savers Exchange, wonderful people, Baker Creek Heritage Seeds, or Johnny's Selected Seeds. Wonderful, wonderful folks, wonderful, wonderful companies indeed. So let us get started, and we'll start with a bed of romaine lettuce. Why not? Romaine lettuce, grown here in California. So let's start with romaine lettuce. And now we're going to be adding some collard greens. Collards are the closest relative to kale. They're so nutritious, brimming with vitality and goodness. But of course, we've already chopped some up. So let us add some collard greens. And now, you've guessed it, some dinosaur kale. Okay. And finally, we're going to be adding our Helianthus Tuberosa. And let's grate them up using our food processor. Mm-hmm. We have our Doesn't that look amazing, my dearest friend? Now for the dressing, and we'll start with some spring water, say a cup or so of spring water. And now, with springtime just around the corner, why not add our wonderful milk of paradise? This is a combination of cashew and macadamia nuts. It is so enticing, so creamy smooth. So, a couple heaping tablespoons of milk of paradise. And behold, we have milk of paradise. Let's add a banana. For yet more smoothness. And let's add some chia seeds to thicken things up. Chia seeds are also very health-giving and nutritious. Chia seeds, another food of Native Americans, especially here in the western states. Okay. And now we have our magnificent living tree California grown medjool dates. I've already pitted some of these, so let's toss them in. Wonderful, wonderful. They impart such a wonderful sweetening color and such magnificent texture. So medjool dates. So here we have it, a dressing beyond compare, milk of paradise, chia seeds, banana, and our medjool dates. And let's toss this over the salad. Let's give it a toss. One last thing, some Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. So here we have it, my dearest. A sunchoke, Helianthus Tuberosus salad. And let us recall at the close the 4 R's. And the first R is rejuvenation. We've got to dedicate ourselves to rejuvenation, beginning with ourselves, to rejuvenate everything outworn and decayed, whether in our dealings with others, in our bodies, in our spirits. Rejuvenation. The second R is recreation. To recreate ourselves and our relations with others in ways that affirm and elicit vibrant, quaking, streaming life, recreating ourselves, recreating the world out there. And the third R is regeneration. And that begins with this American earth that sustains us all with such wonderful, wondrous fruits and vegetables. And regeneration might begin with saving the compost in your kitchen, put it in a 5-gallon plastic bucket, bring it to your local community garden once a week. If you don't have your own garden, if you live in an apartment, bring it to your community garden. They will hug and kiss you for it. Imagine that. So regenerate this American topsoil. Every vacant lot, an edible garden. Every open space planted with trees. Let's reforest the Great Plains. And the third R is redemption. And your forebears did a great project in that regard. During the Second World War, your forebears, the greatest generation, eradicated and defeated radical evil throughout the world, thereby making any sort of civilized existence possible. We're permanently indebted to them for all time. So those, my dearest friends, think on it, are the 4 R's. The R's of rejuvenation, recreation, regeneration, and redemption. My privilege to share with you. Please hit the subscribe button down below. You may even be motivated to give us a like, but perhaps your comments, suggestions, and critiques are gold to us. We consider them with utmost care. Let us go forward. My privilege to share.